Good morning to everybody. I am Dr. K. Radhika, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about Indian horticultural scenario. Horticulture covers 18% of net cultivated area. Horticulture production 333.25 million tons from an area of 27.5 million hectare in 21 to 22. India is a net exporter of horticulture produce. Total export is 45,963.24 crore. Total imports 37,760.92 crores. Total value of fresh vegetables and fruits exports was rupees 12,540.57 crores. Total fresh fruits and vegetable import is of rupees 18,480.20 crores. Total export of spices is of rupees 29,273.86 crores. Then horticulture growth. In last 7 years, the area under horticulture has increased from 23.4 million hectare to 27.5 million hectare, around 17.74%, while the production has increased from 280.9 million tons to 333.25 million hectare, around 18.63%, with the support of Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture. Then let's see the opportunities and challenges of sector. Post-harvest losses in fruits and value chains. Goa 15.88% of losses, 12.44% of tomato, apple 10.3%, 39%, mango 9.16%. Losses are mainly due to gaps in existing and required infrastructure for post-harvest management. Gaps in cold storage capacities. Currently, India has 8,354 cold storage facilities with an installed capacity of 380.8 lakh metric tons. As per NAPCONS, in the demand for cold storage in 2019 to 20 was 519.50 lakhs metric tons. Then, lack of high yielding varieties, the need of capacity building and technology interventions, area under micro irrigation, low density plantation, lack of adoption of global best practices. These are the reasons for gaps in cold storage capacities, low and also low productivities. These are the reasons for low productivity of fruits and vegetables. Then sub-schemes for MIDH, Central Supported Schemes, NHM Scheme, National Horticulture Mission Scheme, Horticulture Missions for Northeast and Himalayan States, HMNEH, Central Sector Schemes, National Horticultural Board, NHB, Development of Commercial Horticulture, Coconut Development Board and Development Scheme for Coconut, CDP, Central Institute for Horticulture, CIH, 100% all states, all coconut growing, CDP is all coconut growing stage. Then Central Institute for Horticulture, capacity building in NE northeastern states. Then objective and major components of MIDS to promote holistic growth of horticulture sector through area-based regionally differentiated strategies which include research, technology, promotion, extension, post-harvest management, processing and marketing in consonance with comparative advantage of each state by region and its diverse agroclimatic features. Major component nursery and quality planting materials. Then area expansion and rejuvenation of senile orchids, protected cultivation of high value horticulture crops and controlled conditions, that is called protected cultivation. Water harvesting structure, farm bonds for individuals and community, horticulture mechanization, integrated nutrient management and integrated pest management. These are the horticulture mechanizations. Then post harvest infrastructures including primary processing and cold storage. Then capacity building of farmers. Finally, center of excellence is necessary for the main objectives, components of main objectives. Then objectives of NHB. NHB is the major part is our NHB is National Horticulture Board. Our objective is development of high-tech commercial horticulture crops through development of production cluster crops, development of post-harvest infrastructure is an integral part of area expansion project, then development of integrated energy efficient cold chain infrastructure in the country to promote adoption of new technology, tools, techniques for high-tech commercial horticulture, product promotion, market development and export promotion through synergize amongst producer, farmers, extension workers, research organization, private stakeholders and credit institutions. Then next video we will see about key government initiatives in horticulture. Thank you one and all.